This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to start a Ford Focus without a key. It can be frustrating when your key fob isn't working, but don't worry, there are several steps you can take. First, we'll cover how to get into your car, even if the fob battery is completely dead. Then, we'll discuss checking your car's main battery, which is a vital initial diagnostic for any starting issue. Let's get started with gaining access. Once you have the physical key from your fob, insert it into the driver's door lock and turn to unlock the vehicle. This bypasses the electronic system for entry. Inside, you'll need to understand the car's immobilizer, which prevents unauthorized starting. For certain models, a 5-digit keyless entry keypad on the door pillar offers another way in, requiring a preset code to unlock the doors. Knowing these options is key to getting inside. If your Ford Focus has a push-button start and your key fob battery is dead, you can still start the car. You'll need to place the key fob in a specific area inside the vehicle. This spot is typically marked or located near the steering column, or sometimes in a small slot in the center console. The car's system will then detect the fob's chip, even without battery power, allowing you to press the start button and ignite the engine. After attempting these steps, if your Ford Focus still won't start, consider other possibilities. A completely dead car battery is a common culprit, preventing any ignition. In this case, a jump start from another vehicle or a portable jump starter might be necessary. If the issue seems more complex, perhaps an electrical fault or a starter problem, it's always best to contact professional roadside assistance or a certified mechanic for a thorough diagnosis and repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.